Hello everybody, hi to all. Today I am continue to pick locks from Great Britain. Today I have lock, I pick him in shots video with zipping method, and now I need to pick him single and got him. Now I have video with gutting of this lock, and I put the gutting in the link because this lock I don't think need gutting every time when I pick, because I want to make interesting, not quickly, interesting picking. Not every time quickly it's this interesting, I think so. So work, not work, cutting off, okay, I say. Have two mushrooms, the thin needle between top and bottom parts, and K-pins have cutting around of bottom every pin. And it's make more difficult picking process, I can to say, maybe. Okay, little tension we pick, and when we finish to pick pin, we try to pick him final, no, full picking. First asking, not full activation. This was my mistake now. Okay, and first, second, third, and four now. Just a moment. Nice. It was how to say it, mushroom number 4, and now this is number 5. Very high pin, not mushroom, and because very high pin we have with him problem, but we pick him now. If he is not out after from the place, this is was how to say it, no, mushroom, second mushroom. One pin number 4, one pin number 2 mushrooms, and third 5, 6 standard driver pins, K pins around have cutting, and what I can to say more, that's all, and I put link. I don't really I don't have time now, and today very busy day I have, so I have a video of getting of this lock after picking. I can to put full picking with together with not different. If somebody want to watch full picking and gutting one video, so I can to put this video in link with link in the comments. Okay, so thank you very much for you, Paul, for locks. They help me on the channel and for my practice, and thank you very much for watching today this video, and have a nice day today, everyone. Goodbye, bye bye, good luck.